There's a lot of points in that piece I'm sitting. Now when we're done, we'll have a look. So we hit a crack here. We'll have a look at what all we got in our little can there. We're about to have to take the bopper size down too, but I think we're still okay for now. So again, not on the pad. I'm going to hold this, use my fingers to support the ridges underneath, strike in. Nice big flake. Now you can see you're going to lose a lot on these flakes though, because they're very curved. In the curve, you're going to have to work out of it. Oof, there's a crack in there. See it? Hard to see on this white stuff. We got to get that crack out of there. And that spells disaster. So we're going to bop her down. Bop her down! A little bit. Knock her crack off, make a point out of that. Alright, so that cleaned up the crack. You want to hit to the left and the right of the cracks. If there's a crack coming up to the edge of your platform, you don't want to hit the crack where it bisects the platform. You'll cut the point in half. At least in my experience. Now, when you're at this stage, you have to start being careful that you keep the middle thicker than the ends. And we're starting to get kind of close to that not being the case. So we're going to go down to this end, start working it out. We're probably going to take a small bopper, do a little clip. So that's just moving that platform for me. I might end up picking that bigger bopper back up, but get a bird point out of that. His wife does her own artwork, Indian artwork, Native American stuff, and I'll tell you, she does some beautiful work. She showed me pictures of it when she was here. So I'm sure they can use these small points for something. That took a little bit off of that end, and we've got some major thickness down at this end. But we got some good platforms here. Ready to go. Stout it up. We might need that bigger bopper yet. I got a hold of that one. And we got a face we can hit here. It's going to start happening a little faster now. Once you get to this point in the piece, you know, you kind of have control of it. And after I say that, it's probably going to do something totally unexpected. Yeah, I got cinder blocks underneath me. Little pieces of cinder block. That's just what you want to put below you when you're flint knapping, because it helps to soften the blow when the point hits the ground. So this edge is all hoopy. So we're going to just take a small bopper and work it around till we got us a nice bifacial edge that we can work off of. You got to be careful at this point, hitting it on the ends. I feel like there's a crack in the middle of this too. So at any minute, could be disaster. This could be in two pieces. There's definitely a crack in here. You're pretty close to working it out of there though.